a family-owned business that began in 2007 after Zorro, the Giller's dog, got sick with cancer.
It was a little bit too late for Zorro, though. Unfortunately, the cancer, struck very, very quickly.
That experience sparked an idea to create a premium pet food with the qualities of a raw food diet.
Cranberry, blackberries, organic, thyme, marjoram.
Antibiotic-free chickens raised in Manitoba and BC wild salmon are the meats used in Smack.
Our ingredients are definitely what sets us apart. We use, bar none, the best quality fruits and vegetables and herbs and meats in the human food industry. So that's what really sets us apart.